morning all. Hope you all are fine and keeping good health and staying safe at home. So in the previous session, we learned about maintenance department, the difference between maintenance and engineering department, preventive and breakdown maintenance, difference in both with advantages and disadvantages of both, duties and responsibilities of maintenance department, role and importance of maintenance department in relation to other departments of a hotel. Now today we will understand the organization chart of small and large hotel. At the end we will summarize the unit. Now I will share screen for the small organization chart of small and large hotel. Organizational chart of maintenance department. Every organization, be it a hotel or any other industry, cannot perform or be successful without efficient, hardworking, dedicated and sincere workforce. Now, in the charts, it may please be noted that manforce required for carrying out particular jobs is not specified because it depends on the size of the hotel, number of rooms, banquets and turnout in hotel industry. Further, number of technicians required for each hotel varies depending on the size of a hotel, number of rooms and also the client's visits. Now, the chart which is on the screen is for small hotel. It is headed by general manager, then chief engineer and the shift engineers. It depends hotel to hotel. There can be 2 shift engineer or 3 shift engineers, either working in morning shift or in evening shift. It is then there are 9 persons which will be working under shift engineers. The first one is electrician, the person who will deal with all the electrical works. Then mason, all repairing work, building works. Then carpenter, who deals with all furniture repairing. Then general mechanic, who will be responsible for different normal mechanic works. Then plumber, who will be responsible for all the fittings. Then water fittings. Then audio video mechanic will be responsible for computers, laptops, etc. Then painter will be responsible for all painting works. Then lift person is totally responsible for the smooth functioning of lifts. And then AC refrigeration mechanic, the person is fully responsible for all the smooth functioning of ACs, split ACs and all refrigeration works. And they all are help with their helpers. Now this is a chart for small hotel. Now next is person. Next is, this is a chart for a large hotel. Now it is headed by director engineering, person responsible for whole engineering department, then assisted by chief engineers, one chief engineer. Then being it's a large hotel, the hotel is having 3 shifts, so in all the shifts they require shift engineer with assistance of administrative inventory. Now for the large hotel, the 4 different sections are mentioned. First is electrical engineer, then is mechanical engineer, then civil engineer, and at the end refrigeration engineer. Now all these engineers are being assisted by the supervisor, and then being it is for large hotel, there would be large covering areas. So under electrical engineer, there would be a supervisor. Then it would be having 3 different persons. One first is totally responsible for all electrical works, known as electrician. Second is responsible for all the mechanical work for lifts, and then all audio video system is a person known as electronic mechanic. Then mechanical engineer assisted by supervisor, and assisted by first general mechanic, then boiler mechanic, and then swimming pool mechanic. Next is civil engineer guided by supervisor, and will be having 4 persons responsible for different works. First is mason, second is plumber, third is painter, and the 4th is carpenter. Now the next is refrigeration engineer assisted by supervisor, and person responsible for all refrigeration mechanical work, and they all are assisted by assistants. Now at the end, minimum staff for some of the essential services like water, electricity, gas, air conditioning are required irrespective of the size of the hotel. And at the end, every organization has its own departmental organization chart, which has been displayed for the both small and large hotel. Now I hope the organizational chart for a small and large hotel is clear for all. Next is, now let us summarize what we have done in this unit. In the end, it is clear that maintenance of engineering and other facilities is one of the most critical activities in a hotel. It is both very complex and elaborate in the present era of highly developed technology, with its newer areas of application in hotel industry. Although it is not a revenue generating activity directly, such as F&B and accommodation department, proper and regular maintenance definitely saves a lot of money by reducing downtime of machines and equipment. However, for many of the maintenance work, the specialized technicians of engineering maintenance department will handle the situation. Care and maintenance of some special equipment are also carried out through maintenance contract with external agencies. Further, by maintaining uninterrupted service of the facilities, it ensures guest satisfaction and high staff morale, and thus contributes immensely to the ultimate objective of good business for a hotelier. Now at the end, I hope you all have maintained the notes for this unit and even mark the important topics